Thank you. Next we have Kevin Lee Carver.
I'm here on that matter.
Okay.
I'm one of the people of the Republic of Oregon.
Okay, Mr. Carver, we've got an improper display of your plates as well as failure to carry proof of insurance, and how would you like to plead?
I don't intend to plea. I intend to answer in the form of demur, such that I do not acquiesce quasi-jurisdiction, because that's an issue to be brought up in my pleadings and briefs with the court.
Okay, Oregon doesn't recognize demurs anymore, so please tell me if you're going to, your three choices are, excuse me sir, I'm not going to interrupt you, and I ask that you not interrupt me. You can plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Which would you like to do?
Did the officer make a legal determination that I was in fact operating a motor vehicle at the alleged time?
The officer made an allegation that you have done that. He has not proven it to the court yet. He has made that allegation.
Okay, was I in fact operating a motor vehicle at that time?
I would have no idea without a trial, without hearing evidence.
Okay, because according to Title 18, United States Code, section...
Okay, Mr. Carver, I'm going to cut you off there. If you want to make an argument, then let's get this set for trial. This is an arraignment. Arraignment is solely for the purpose of determining how someone is going to plead. So if you want to make a legal or factual argument, we'll set that for trial, okay?
Okay, I would like a formal hearing and a trial by jury.
You don't get a trial by jury, but we will have a trial to meet in about a month. And the reason you don't get a jury trial is because this is a non-criminal matter.
But it's, the controversy exceeds $20, and pursuant to the 7th Amendment, I have the right to a trial by jury.
And I would refer you to, if you get a pen and piece of paper, I'll give you the site.
I have my Constitution with me.
And I appreciate that. The case is State v. Benoit, which is, it was issued on June 5th, 2013. Supreme Court case number S060858, which establishes that not all violations get a jury trial. If they're criminal, if they're crime-based such that they were founded in a crime but then decriminalized such that at some point you get you get a sentence to jail time, then you still have the right to a jury. This case is not the case.
But does the court have jurisdiction? Can the court prove corpus electi?
Yes. I have jurisdiction.
Can you prove it?
Yes, I said so.
But can you prove it? Is there
Carver,
evidence of corpus electi?
Mr. Carver, one of the things about this court is I do not need to prove that. If you want to raise that defense, I'll make my ruling at that time. If you disagree with mine, you can seek redress through the appellate courts to try to get that overturned. This is not the venue to argue jurisdictional issues.
Sir, did you take an oath to uphold the Constitution?
Yes, I did. So now I have set this for trial. I will give this to Sam and she'll know.
Objection, I would like a trial by jury.
You're not going to get a trial by jury, sir, okay?
Is the court denying me my right to a trial by jury?
No, I'm not, because you do not have a right to a trial by jury. Okay? We're done here. Next we have Andrew Hagan. Okay, Mr. Hagan, we've got a failure to be a traffic control device. Now would you like to plead?
No contest.
Okay. You've got a clean record. You interested in traffic school? Let me explain what traffic school is. So you plead guilty, I give you the maximum fine. Either on Saturday, February 22nd or Saturday, March 22nd, you spend the better part of the day up at PCC. You're going to spend about $100. At the conclusion of that, they'll send you a little notice saying you've completed the class. At that point, I dismiss the violation against you. Your record stays clean. In the meantime, they get to tell you how you should drive better and shouldn't make mistakes like this in the future. You interested in that?
What's the other option?
Either that or I'm going to give you a fine of $130.
And does that go on my record?
Yes.
I'll take the traffic school.
Okay. So as I said, you're going to see the maximum fine on here, and the only time I've ever